What's happening, folks? As you can see here, we are in front of the Miata, and we've got a fancy box here with some real cool parts in it. Figured I'd give you guys an unboxing. And this is also going to be my first time looking at it as well. This is the Qmax Coolant Relocation Kit. Bought it from supermiata.com, I believe. 949 Motorsports? 949 Racing? One of the two. I think it's 949 Motorsports. I'm not quite sure. There it is. See? 949 Qmax. Alright. Box is empty. See, they sent us a new thermostat, which is cool. I believe that's a 195. Yes. Let's take it out and inspect it real quick. $44 mil. Yeah, that's gonna be. Let's see if we can get it to focus. You see, that's a 195. So that's cool. And stuff that back in the box. Set it off to the side here. Okay, to explosive adhesive. So that is some sort of. I don't know why. We'll figure it out. They sent it with some water pump gasket, an assortment of accessory bolts and things like that. That's going to be our bleeder valve. This will be probably the output for the heater core, and some hose clamps and whatnot. This here is actually the fancy part. This will be the Qmax machine parts. Oh, look at that. Oh. I'll just go ahead and pull them all out and set them out here. Now this is for the 1.6, sorry that was loud. This is for the 1.6 and the 1.8. Awesome. Deal there. Alright, and they got this giant silicone hose. That was actually kind of fun. That's actually, I like that it's springy. You see that? So it's got some strength to it. It's not just, you know, floppy. It's not going to sit, you know, pinched like that. And that deal will just come back here and it'll go around. Here's going to be with the new port. You see the thermostat will sit in there. This will go on the back of this here. Oop. Back, side, front, depending on how you want to look at it. Oh, look at that. Super Miata. There it is. It looks good. I like all these. Okay. There we go. So that way you won't score it up when you're tightening it. Very cool. Alright, let's see what else we got happening here. I know what these are. It's the block off plate. That'll go on the very inside. So later when we disassemble the engine and we take the old actual thermostat housing off, if we want to block that off there, we can. And then this here has the accessory port, and that's going to be for, let me grab that, for this guy, which is the fan sensor. You can see our here is broke, so we're going to get a new one, but that's what that's for. That's for fan control. It'll go right in there, and then I believe that's just a capper if you wanted to put an accessory port there. Yeah, see, Super Miata. It's pretty cool. It's good quality. The machining feels good. The anodizing feels good. As I said, you know, this guy here, gonna go like that. See, everything matches up real nice. And that'll go on the back there. Here's the ports coming out. You can see, you know, this guy will go in there. And then, I'm not exactly sure what ports we will use and won't use. Let me show you that the thermostat goes in. Oh, fancy pantsy like. Nope, the other way. All right. And that's going to go in there. And that's how it would sit. That's interesting. Maybe there's something that kind of holds it in place. I don't know about that right there. That's a little janky. Well, we'll have to read the directions and see exactly why that's doing that. I don't like how that's just going to move around in there. Now, granted, the minute water starts flowing, it is just going to push it. And it will push what? This is the inlet. Yeah, so the inlet. So yeah, it would push down. I don't know what's happening there. Let me get a sec to see what's going on. I'll read these. I'm gonna go ahead and cut and then read these, and then I'll get back to you and we'll figure out exactly why that moves around like that, because I'm not okay with that. I'm not gonna have my thermostat just kind of flopping around. So we'll be right back. Okay, so going through the directions real quick here, and this is only a couple minutes later. You see right here, there's actually a snap ring, which is going to hold the thermostat in place. Which is real neat. And that's going to be this guy right here. So we'll put that in, and yeah, that's going to be that right there. Let me grab my snap ring pliers real quick. Okay. Oh, come on now. Whoo! That's a tight snap ring, I'm not gonna lie. It's tight. It's tight like a toy. Maybe I just got a really old set of snap ring pliers here. Okay. There it is. All right. And then I'm going to make sure that the snap ring is rotated. It's probably going to be something that's important here. There we go. Make sure that snap ring is out of the way of this little hole, because there is going to be a tiny amount of coolant that is going to go through right there. That's going to allow, you know, a minimal amount of flow when the thermostat is not open. So there it is. Very cool. Okay. Well, it seems to be about the only deal. Other than that, you know, it's just general assembly instructions. As you can see, the outlet there. So that outlet, yeah, that's right there, and it just shows, you know, to cap that port unless you're going to use it for something. But otherwise, there you go, folks. This is an extremely easy kit to install, in my opinion. I'm not having any issues with it at all. I don't know anyone else who's having any issues. You know, this one's just going to go right here. We would take this off. Okay, obviously we want to clean our gasket off. And I'm not going to put it on here permanently. I'm just going to rest it on, but I don't want to just sit it on here with a bunch of crap. So anyways, this will sit right here. And then, like I said, this one here goes back behind it. This assembles like that, and it goes on the back there, and it will go this way, and then the hose comes around, and that's that. We actually have our radiator just showed up right now. So there you go, folks. We'll give you the next status update, but this is the unboxing of the Qmax kit by 949 and Super Miata, obviously Super Miata. I think that's just the website that they sell it out of. I think that's like their store is Super Miata, and then I'm pretty sure 949 Racing or 949 Motorsports. Let's see if they clarify it, so I'll quit speaking out of turn here. As you can see, though, it is for the 89 to 05, and it's the B6 and the BP engines. So there you go. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching. And as always, stay frosty. By the way, it is 949 Racing. You can see right there. 949 Racing. Peace.